A maneuver performed by no other aircraft in the world today other than the Oracle Challenger 3. That is in fact a forward flip. And as I mentioned, not performed by any other aircraft that you will ever see on the air show circuit. Diving down to what we call the Louis Loop. This is an inside-outside with a double at the top. The first half is inside or negative speed, trying to throw John out of the cockpit. We'll turn the smoke on, begin the pull up onto the 45. Watch as he turns it into knife edge flight. Now, 2.0. Just this season. That's right. And now Rob and Sean pitches that nose skyward. You can see the high G's as he concludes that maneuver. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this style of flying is very athletic and very hard on the body. And roll into what we call right knife edge flight. Lower wingtip, 8 feet above the ground through ribbon number 1. Left knife edge flight through ribbon number 2.